Located approximately 10 miles southwest of Glendo, Wyoming, along the expansive foothills of Laramie Peak, Coyote Creek Ranch is a working ranch with 919 contiguous acres of rolling ranchland, creek bottom, and hay meadows. The property features water rights, mineral rights, great views, year-round access, and plentiful wildlife, making it ideally suited for ranching and recreation. There are 458 acres of deeded land and a 460-acre State of Wyoming lease. The ranch is surrounded by privately owned ranches on all sides and simultaneously features privacy and accessibility. A variety of pines, cottonwoods, and aspens are spread throughout the ranch, and the rolling grasslands feature a variety of hard grasses that are rich in protein and known for packing the weight on cattle. 150 tons of grass hay have previously been produced from the 120 acres of flood-irrigated hay meadow. While there are no structures on the property, there are many fantastic building locations on the creek bottom or on the hillside with views of Laramie Peak. Portions of the property are fenced with 4-string barbed wire. Excellent hunting opportunities abound on the ranch for elk in the coveted Hunting Area 7. Other big game hunting opportunities include mule deer, whitetail, and antelope. Wild turkey, sage grouse, and other small game have been seen on the property as well. The ranch is a quick 15-minute drive from Glendo State Park on Glendo Reservoir, a popular destination for outdoorsmen. Best known for its superior boating opportunities and walleye fishing, Glendo State Park has 45 miles of trails for hiking and biking and 21 different campgrounds. During the summer months, the reservoir and surrounding area is a vibrant, popular destination. The Coyote Creek Ranch includes irrigation and stock water rights for 155 acres, and North Horseshoe Creek and Coyote Creek flow through various portions of the ranch for over 2.5 miles. All owned mineral rights transfer with the sale of the property. The ranch is only 10 miles off of I-25 on a well-maintained county road with year-round access. Glendo is a safe and charming small town in rural America known for its ranching, recreation, and tourism, and Cheyenne is less than an hour away to the south. The opportunity to purchase a similar property in Platte County is a rare one. For your own private showing, please contact J.C. Cole